If you know that your hands are quite brittle and they can't take what you want to give them, there's no use. There's no use considering going in there and thinking you can do damage what you're supposed to do. I mean, I believe I was one of the hardest punching featherweights that ever lived. And at the end of the day, I don't want to be going back in there knowing that I want to punch as hard as I can and know that my hands are just going to be hurting all the time. So, but listen, if it was up to me and my hands were fine, I'd love to come back. I really would.
You've got 3 young boys, haven't you? Would you encourage them to take up the fight game?
Well, we're teaching them how to fight, and I don't mind them training and knowing about boxing. As far as competition as an amateur or a professional, no, I don't recommend it to my kids. I think I've done enough fighting for the whole of my family for generation upon generation.
Now, Muhammad Ali was a hero of mine. You're a fair bit younger than me, Naz, but I believe you were with Ali in Manchester. Personally, I've seen the pictures and I feel very, very saddened by the whole Ali troop really going around this country. What are your feelings about Muhammad Ali now?
Well, a little bit similar to yours, to be honest. I mean, he's my biggest boxing hero that I've ever had. And I just think what he brought to the game nobody brought, and he's on a platform of his own.